Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of ADA subject. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about making change problem. So basically making change problem is a problem occur when you have to make a certain amount using some different number of coins. Means you have to find a total number of ways you can make change of the given amount using the coin given. So this is the problem 1 of making change problem. In that thing we will have some different type of coins, or we can say some different coin denominations, and another thing will be a certain amount. In that, for example, if you have some different number coins, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and your total amount is 13 rupees. So in how many ways you can make amount of 30 rupees with using this 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee coins. So that is our problem number 1, that finds the total number of ways that make change of given amount using the coin given. And our second problem is find out minimum number of coins to make certain amount using given coins. So in that problem number 2, we have to find a minimum number of coins, and in problem number 1 we have to find maximum number, or we can say total number of ways that we can make change of given amount using the coin given. In both of the thing we will have different type of coin, or we can say different denominator of coin, and certain amount will be there. So let's start with our problem number 1. Let's take an example. For example, we have 3 coins, 1, 2 and 3. One is 1 rupee coin, one is 2 rupee coin, and one is 3 rupee coin. Actually in real life in our country 3 rupee coin does not exist, but for understanding different examples we will take some odd number coins here. Okay, so we will have 1, 2 and 3, these 3 coins available, and keep in mind that these numbers of coin will be available in infinite. Okay, so we will have 1 number coin infinite, 2 rupee coins infinite, and 3 rupee coin infinite. So we can take any coin in any amount. Okay, so and another thing is we have to make our amount is 5. Okay, so to make amount 5, how many ways are possible to use these coins? So let's find out different ways. So in first way, if we use 5 1 rupee coins, then our amount will be 5. So that is our one way. If we make 3 1 rupee coins and 1 2 rupee coins, then amount will be 5. So that is a second way. Another way is if we take 1 1 rupee coin and 2 2 rupee coin, then our total amount will be 5. Next, if we take 2 1 rupee coin and 1 3 rupee coin, then our total amount will be 5. And if we take 1 2 rupee coin and 1 3 rupee coin, then our total amount will be 5. So in that case we can see our total number of ways are 5 to make amount of 5 with using coins 1 2 and 3. Okay, so this is the example, but this is a informal way to understand. We have to write in a formal way in exam. So let's understand how to write in formal way in examination this example. Okay, so we will have this coins 1 2 and 3, amount is 5. So we will have to take a table. In table we will store our coin or our denomination in our column, and we will store our amount in our row wise. We will start with 0 and will go up to the maximum amount. Okay, so minimum is 0, 1 amount, 2 amount, 3 amount, 4 amount, and maximum amount is 5. If we have given amount 10, so we will go from 0 to 10 in rows. Row will be for our amount and column will be for our coins, or we can say denominations. Okay, so next, 0 amount. We want to make 0 amount using 1 rupee coin. So how many ways are there? So if we want to find 0 rupee, if we want to make 0 rupee, then one way is there. In that case, if we don't use any coin, if we don't use 1 rupee coin, then in that way we can make amount of 0. Okay, as the same way, if we do not use our 2 rupee coin, then that is a one way that we can make our 0 amount. Again, if we do not use 3 rupee coin, then we can make amount of 0. Then in that case we have a way so that we can make amount of 0 rupee. Okay, so this is very crucial, understand it. There is a way to make amount of 0. In that way we cannot use, or we will not use this thing. So this will be a way in that we will make 0 amount. Okay, so again we will find this well. So if we want to make 1 rupee amount, so there is a way which we make a 1 rupee amount with 1 rupee coin. There is a way, if we use 2 times 1 rupee coin, then we will make our amount 2. There is a way, if we make 1 3 rupee coin, then we will get amount 3. There is also a way, in that way, if we use 1 rupee coin 4 times, so we will get amount 4. For rupees 5, we will use 1 rupee coin 5 times, so we will get our amount 5. So don't be confused here. These are the ways. These are the ways for making or for creating this amount. So by using 1 rupee coin, one way to make 1 rupee, one way to make 1 rupee, one way to make 3 rupee, one way to make 4 rupee, one way to make 5 rupees. Okay, now we have to find this thing. In that thing, one condition is there. If our amount is less than this coin, or we can say our coin value is greater than the amount value, then we will just copy above the values. Here in this case our coin value is 2 and our amount is 1, so coin is greater than amount, so we will just copy this above value into this cell. Okay, so 1 here. Now our coin is 2 and amount is 2, so this condition is false. Then we will have to apply this thing, these steps. Okay, this step says first exclude the coin, means if do not use these 2 rupee coins, then how many ways we have? So we have one way. If we do not use this 2 rupee coin, only use 1 rupee coin, then we have one way to make amount of 2. Another step says include the coin. If we use this 2 rupee coin, then how many ways? So if we use these 2 rupee coins, means we will use these 2 rupee coins, so we will deduct from this amount 2. So 2 minus 2 will be 0. Okay, so 2 minus 2 will be 0. So in this row, in 2's row, we will go to the 0 point. In that case we will have value 1. So we will add that 1 into our previous one. So the first step, exclude the coin. In excluding coin we will have value 1 only, so 1. Second says include the coin. So in include the coin we will deduct this coin from this amount, and after deducting means 2 minus 2, what we will have? 0. So in this row we will move to the 0 and we will have value 1. So we will have value 1 from including the coin. And third step says we have to add both of them. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. So with using coin of 1 and 2, we will have 2 ways. By that we can make our amount 2. Okay, next 3 rupee. So in 3 rupee, if we first step exclude the coin, means do not use this 2 rupee coin, then we will have one way to make 3 rupee. So place 1 here, plus include the coin, means if we have 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin both, then deduct this 2 rupee from this amount, means 3 minus 2 means 1. So go to the 1 into this row. So at the 1 we will have this 1 here in row. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. Okay, for finding next value, if we do not use this 2 rupee coin, then our value is 1. So put 1 here, plus. If we use this value, then 4 minus 2 means amount minus coin. So 4 minus 2. So we have to go at position number 2 into this row. So in this 2, this row, our value is 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So there are 3 ways to make 4 amount with using 1 and 2 rupee coin. As like same for making 5 rupee, if first step exclude the coin, means we do not have 2 rupee coin, so we have one way to make amount of 5. Okay, so 1 plus deduct 2 from the 5. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So go to the 3 into this row. So here we have 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So we have 3 ways to make 5 amount from using 1 and 2 rupee coin. Okay, again next, here 3 1. So here coin value is greater than our W. So we will put 1 here, means copy the above value. Here again 3 is greater than 2, so again copy the above value. 3 is not greater than 3, so we have to find out by these steps. First exclude the coin, means if we do not have 3 rupee coin, then just put 2 here, plus deduct this 3 from 3. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So go to the 0 into this row. So there is 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. for making amount 4. 3 means first exclude the coin, so we will have 3, plus 4 minus 3 means 1, so go to in row 1, at the 1, so we will have 1, so 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. At the last, for finding amount or making amount 5, first exclude the coin means 3, plus include the coin 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, so go to the 2 into this row, so we will have value 2, so 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So by that way we can see, for making amount of 5 with using coin 1, 2 and 3, we will have total ways are 5. Okay, always in this corner you will find your answer. Okay, so this is the example for finding total ways for making certain amount with using certain coins. Okay, this is the exercise for you guys. In that you will have coins 2 rupee, 3 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee, and you will have to make amount of 15. Okay, so if you like this video, then like, comment and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Thank you friends.